Let me begin with something uncomfortable. We are not merely entering an artificial intelligence revolution, we are entering a sovereignty crisis. And most people still believe the issue is technological. It is not. The deepest transformation of this century is psychological, civilizational, and existential. Because the real power of artificial intelligence is not automation alone. It is behavioral influence, it is cognitive prediction, it is emotional engineering. It is the gradual restructuring of human consciousness through invisible algorithmic systems that increasingly mediate reality itself. And this is why I created the concept of mind-machine mastery, not as branding, but as an intellectual architecture for preserving human sovereignty, because we are crossing a historical threshold where human beings are no longer simply using machines. Machines are increasingly shaping human beings. Individuals who fail to understand this transition will slowly become psychologically programmable inside systems optimized for extraction rather than liberation. Now pause there carefully, because the most dangerous systems of control never announce themselves as oppression. They arrive as convenience. Historically, empires occupied land. Industrial capitalism occupied labor. But technofeudalism occupies cognition itself. That is the real transition. Your attention becomes infrastructure. Your emotions become monetizable patterns. You are the resource being harvested by the digital economy. Therefore, mind-machine mastery must become a sovereign intellectual ecosystem organized around 4 pillars: AI and power, psychology, leadership, and civilization. Let us begin with the first pillar, AI and power, because artificial intelligence is not neutral. Every system reflects the values of those who design it. Algorithms are not floating abstractions, they are encoded political environments. Surveillance capitalism transforms human experience into behavioral data. We are moving toward technofeudalism. The platform is the territory. The technofeudal lord controls digital environments, and we adapt psychologically to them. This is why cognitive sovereignty becomes essential. We must move into the second pillar, AI and human psychology. This is where it becomes serious. Marshall McLuhan warned us that media technologies reshape the human nervous system itself. The medium becomes psychology, and AI accelerates this. Most individuals now exist inside fragmented attention loops, notifications, feeds, and dopamine reinforcement. The result is cognitive fragmentation. Reflection is the foundation of sovereignty. Without it, human beings become highly reactive and easily programmable. Emotional stability is a revolutionary act. The future elite will not merely possess technical skills, they will possess cognitive discipline, they will know how to protect attention and identity. This leads directly into emotional ethical intelligence, or double EQ. It is the integration of emotional awareness with ethical consequence. A civilization that optimizes efficiency while destroying meaning eventually collapses. Technological sophistication without ethical depth creates advanced barbarism. Now let us move into the third pillar, AI and leadership. Traditional models are collapsing because they were designed for stable environments. The future leader can no longer function merely as a manager of productivity. They must become an architect of systems and a curator of meaning. This requires a new form of intelligence, artificial intelligence quotient, or AIQ. It is strategic technological awareness and the capacity to audit systems. Low AIQ creates dependency. High AIQ creates negotiated sovereignty. Future inequality will not simply be economic, it will be cognitive. Most professionals use AI reactively. Very few ask how AI reshapes cognition itself. That second question is where leadership begins. Finally, we arrive at the fourth pillar, AI and civilization. AI is not merely changing jobs, it is changing education, identity, truth, and authority. Educational systems remain industrial, while civilization becomes algorithmic. Schools still train memorization, but the future rewards discernment. The capacity to distinguish truth from simulation and depth from performance. This is the cognitive selection process of the future elite. The battle of this century is not simply technological, it is existential. Can human beings remain fully human inside increasingly automated systems? The greatest danger of AI is human passivity. Civilizations collapse when populations lose interpretive sovereignty and stop thinking deeply. Despite the seriousness, I remain hopeful. AI can expand education and creativity at extraordinary scale, but only if ethical intelligence evolves faster. This is why mind-machine mastery matters. It is not merely content, it is infrastructure, an ecosystem for navigating the complexity of the AI era. This ecosystem must remain disciplined and consistent. Fragmented creators disappear into noise, but coherent intellectual ecosystems become movements. You stop becoming a creator, you become a category, and category ownership is where true influence and stadium-level positioning begin. Mind-machine mastery is a sovereign philosophy for the AI age, a roadmap for integrating AIQ, double EQ, and double SQ into one model. To begin your journey, I recommend my books, AIQ Savvy and EQ Shrewd Vanguard Leader. Use Kindle for integration, use paperback for mapping, and Transformative Leadership or Emotional Alchemists. These provide the power matrix needed for global leadership in this changing landscape. Will we become passive outputs inside algorithmic systems or conscious architects of sovereign intelligence? History is now waiting for the answer.